Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn warming up and chit chat activities of the Song of Songs. First question, do you like to listen to music or songs? Answer, yes, I like to listen to music or songs. Question number 2, what types of songs do you sing? Answer, I sing classical songs. Third question, who is your favorite singer? Answer, Lata Mangeshkar is my favorite singer. Fourth question, when do you sing? Answer, I sing in the morning before bathing. Fifth question, do you practice singing under the guidance of a guru? Answer, no, I do not practice singing under the guidance of a guru. What is difference between folk music and classical music? Answer, the difference is that folk music is played by average people and classical is played by musicians or professionals. Next question, discuss with your friends and write down the names of 5 to 6 Indian musical instruments and those used in Western music. Answer, Indian musical instruments are tabla, sitar, veena, dholak, tanpura, pakhwaz, damru, dhol, shankh. Western musical instruments are alto harp, banjo, bass, dobro, drums, fiddle, and guitar. Next question, from any singer or musician or the internet, write down the names of any 5 ragas and on what occasion they are best sung. Answer, Rag Malkauns is sung at late night. Rag Bhairav is sung at morning. Rag Bhimapalasi is sung from afternoon to sunset. Rag Kedar is sung from late evening to midnight. Rag Asavari is best sung in the morning hours. Now don't forget to subscribe our channel for future updates.